Boss for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and a so it.
You, me know a little nigga love chatting. Same bad and end up dead with him gun pan him. Blood run from him.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Even the blind man could have seen from a million miles away. Say Chronic Law, nah go sit down and make Alkaline diss him and him no respond. You mad? Law boss we are talking about, Shenseea, she dropped a song titled Curious, and yo, in more ways than one, Shenseea actually make history with this song. Me soon tell no why. Popcorn associate, me not say Popcorn, me say them a try size him up with the great Bob Marley. Yo, to me, that is a total disrespect. Ninja man, even though in the behind bars and a life sentence, me see him a try start the biggest war in a dancehall. And me I tell you the truth, Ninja man, me don't like that. 1Bigdon, last video me do, me forward that so and me chat about you to understand what me I say. But you see right now, me feel like say, you make one of the biggest mistake of your life. And you know, but it's just a move like a Caesar girl. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, we have all of that to talk about and much more in this report. But before we go further in the details, I'm ask you for do one simple favor. Please pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Yo, you reach this far. So please me I go ask give this video a like, and you can also browse the channel and check out the previous contents that have been uploaded over the past months, and also share it with your friends. We'll get straight into it. So up first, Shenseea dropped a song titled Curious, and in that song she talk a bag of things. You understand me I say, even though it is not nothing new, all of them things here Shenseea curious about them things a long time. She forward and she talk point blank say yo, she would have liked to do this and she tried this already and she want to do this. So yo, as me say, I know nothing new. So I forward yeah, so for bash Shenseea, cause the world don't know what she is about from the get-go. You understand me I say. No, me not go play none of this song in this report because them things are not things that me support, you understand. But still, me have to forward that so I make you know say Shenseea in more than one way she created history in a dancehall. When me I talk about, I don't think I've ever seen any female dancehall artist drop a song and it amassed way more than 1 million streams on YouTube in a one day. I think Popcorn, the song where him drop on him album with the Afrobeat youth, that song I think was the first song when me see we received more than 1 million stream in a one day as a dancehall song, as a dancehall artist. Me not say it not happened before, but that was the first. And now, me see Shenseea forward and do it, and yo, it is really a good look. But on the downside now, Shenseea are the first female dancehall artist me see forward out in her song and say the things them what she say in the song Curious, and also do the things them what she do in the song Curious. That's why I say yo, she create history. Anyway, we not spend the entire day upon that. We are gonna move on. So we see, we don't know, just like Vybz Kartel, you have many pages out there for Popcorn. In fact, all of the artists, them have more than one pages. Yes, they might have their main page where them run it or the management team run it. Then we have some other fan page where some little fan. Sometimes who run them page there, the artists not even know them. So we see a page with titled Popcorn Music. Post that picture here. You understand what me I say. And when me see the picture, me nah lie. Me feel a way about it. You understand? The caption say, Miss World stay right next to me. Great is a Dulex out. So it was basically a promotion of the Dulex part of his album. You understand what me I say? But me still not like that. Oh, you want to size up with Bob Marley. Yo, Jaja. Oh, you want to do that? Yes, both of you there in a picture. Both of you dating a Miss World. But come on, yo. Bob Marley level, yo, you not reach the some youth. You understand? As when me say me not beat the artist, cause me not even gonna see the artist do it. But still, it don't look good. Can't do them thing there. Me not support it. Vybz Kartel on the other hand. We see which party make that post. And again, me not going to say Vybz Kartel, man, cause there is so many pages out there with Vybz Kartel associates running them. But we see them make a post and I say, yo, Rolex from behind bars and To tell you the truth, it is really a good look to see how the boss they behind bars a beat Rolex or even a beat Rolex overall. But really and truly, it's like it no worth nothing. Because at the end of the day, your freedom worth the most. Every man in this world would want to have them freedom. But Vybz Kartel, him don't have that. But regardless, him still can dey behind bar and him still can beat him Rolex. Ninja man, since we are talking about behind bars, we don't know him dey on a life sentence. You understand? There's a high possibility say him nah go see back road. I think him get 25 years behind bars based on him age. That is a life sentence. You understand? From what they hear, me see him a push this female artist. I say yo, she a queen of dancehall. She named Tall Up. We see she a vibe to some song and in my opinion, the song them got bars. Me nah go lie. The song them got bars. But for actually pushing this girl, stating that she is the queen of dancehall. Yo, a eruption here causing a dancehall. Because we don't know Spice currently is the queen of dancehall because ladies are step away. Next in line for queen of dancehall is Shenseea. So, all of a sudden, Tall Up just forward in the equation, forward in the picture. As when me say, the bars them what me say she a spit, me nah gonna lie, them have a vibe, them have couple punchline. But what she have under her belt, for you really a say, she a queen of dancehall. To be queen of dancehall over Spice, it a go take decades. You know, see how in fact, Spice just dropped her song the other day titled Queen of Dancehall. So for you still a forward and a push this vibe of Tall Up being the queen of dancehall, me just feel like say a eruption in cause in a dancehall. You want Spice and Tall Up to go at it, to say yes, Tall Up really better. But we all know Spice no have no need to go there so. But as I say Ninja Man, me just feel like say eruption in cause and that is not necessary. But as you don't know, we not spend much time on that. So we're moving on. 1Bigdon. I think in the last report when me actually speak about Bigdon, I understand glad for know say he might get the chance to go tour England and them thing. I don't know me always I give advice to him as a young artist. Cause yo, a little youth forward in the industry. An industry that is so corrupt, an industry that can change you fully. So you don't know, we always have to show we support, we always have to send some advice and blessings to the young youth them in the industry. But me see him do something. And me not gonna say it is so wrong or something we should have never do. But really and truly, I don't think it's something we should have do at this point. We see him do an interview and him forward and him talk, say yo, him rate Tamili. You understand? And Tamili is somebody where would want to do one collaboration with and them little thing there. Tamili is not the first. We see him forward and him said about Intense and you don't know artists have them favorite. Now we see 1Bigdon go as far as for tattoo Sparta pan him and you can see it in the video we are playing right now. We see King do it already. I think Tamili's son do it. You know I'm son that so him can do it. But it's like them basically a show and a pay homage to Tamili Sparta, which as I said, nothing is wrong. When Gaza did at whole heap of artists. In fact, people, regular civilian, tattoo Gaza pan themselves. In fact, some female all tattoo world boss pan themselves. So it is not anything new. But if you see a young artist like 1Bigdon who want to go to the top of dancehall, want to work with any and every artist, want to tour the world, mash up the world with dancehall, you put in Sparta pan your hand, a brand, you brand yourself. And even though Tamili is Sparta and most of the artists them good and producers, you might have producers and artists who would want to work with you, we can bring you to the next level. But because of your alliance and your allegiance to Sparta, them decide say, yo, we not gonna work with that you there. So 1Bigdon, to me, you just a move like a season girl. You're on a football season and the footballer them are going good. So yeah, you just jump on the wagon. Not only that, what if in the long run, you and Sparta fall out? You don't have no farmer linkage again and that's it between the two artists camp. How you go feel? What you go do? Laser it out? Brother, madness, strictly madness that what you do. And you don't know Tamale is Sparta and one of my favorite artists. But I don't know where to fit justice. What you do is just never make no sense. We not spend the whole day upon that. Viewers and subscribers tell me no think no feel like say 1Bigdon and move like a clone. If you got tattoo Sparta upon him and yo, nothing wrong with that. Him just a show allegiance and him just a show respect to Sparta boss. Let me know in the comment section. So Alkaline, as we can clearly see, for the past few years, he has not been the Alkaline what we did know. And the Alkaline we would have want to see right now run the place. To be precise, Alkaline fall off. You understand what I say? And since him falling off, we see him always a try to pick fight and him always a try to style up certain artists. He might try to draw them out in order for them answer him and then him can rub them out. Cause yo, we don't know say him capable of that. We see him go on with the 6 war, we see him go on with in the Gaza war, but no, we see which part him a pick a war with not just Gaza, not just 6, but basically anybody in a dancer. Yo, desperate times draw for desperate measures and feel like say Alkaline desperate for the back pan top right now, which is why him a pick all of them little fights. Yeah. You understand what I say? So we see him forward with one song and him drop it and I say yo, him a boss for every boss, Dan for every Dan. We don't know whole heap of people call themselves boss. You understand? You have 6 boss, you have law boss. Yo, we not have to go in it. You know how the world works. But him always I drop some little subliminal at chronic law. Always I drop some little subliminal at squash, massacre, all of them. Chronic law now decide say yo, enough is enough. Him now go take that little this thing there no more. And him drop a song titled Words of Law. In my opinion, that song is just calm and deadly. We are going to jump right into it and you him have to say, check it out. Calm and deadly. Yeah man, pun intended. Yo, check out some more track here, man. I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
No dog make one and need counseling. We are war for life and a trophy.
Yo, listen to me man. You have some man forward in a song and them a talk about them bust out head, them a walk with AK, them a drive tanker. Brother, you know see all our boss do it. Calm and deadly. And nobody feel like, yo, me I tell you, that's why you see some people say, yo, I be a pain in a them man a song, you know. The man a make you know, say enough youth him know, we make one dopey and I feel live a counseling. Nobody feel like a lie, I tell. You never do some simple little things and yo, the way how it play upon your mind is like you can't get over it. Some man a make up nice and I say, yo, them a this, them a that, and them a war, them a... Yo, the man a make you know, say, the war where him a fight, and of a trophy, of him life, dark past him a forward from. So you just forward from a good upbringing, a good home, and everything was so nice for you, and you there in a dance hall and a sing about this, a sing about that, like a trophy you look. And no trophy man a fight for. Man a fight for them life. But we check out some more of the track.
Yeah, we in this too long. We know when for prove, when for shoot.
Yo, calm and deadly again. The man a make no know say him in this too long. So what? Him know when for shoot. Him know when for prove. Yo, hear me I say, check out some more of the track.
I would just start march. I try tell me about bad. Nothing me no boss pan. Cross water digger.
Quick question. I will always a boss about them do this and a boss about them do that. In fact, who just start bad and a boss about badness. A boss say them this and a boss say them that. Hold on there. Who are the nerd in the high school? Who Vybz Kartel did say he was just a little nerd in the high school and now he coming to music and rough up himself and a rough up him Vybz and this and that. Who? Play some more of the track. Yo, you see as a real quenga in the street, the man I make no know say yo, him know a joker and him know a gun bag. So him no watch when some man just a chat, cause that's all them do. Yap. So yo, some more of the track. Yo, the man I make a know say you know a little nigga we love chatting and go on like him bad and him dead with him gun pan him. Yo, you can't want it worse than that. I don't like say him now have a machine with him, you know, but he's still dead with the pan him. So Chronic Law just make the world know say nobody feel like say you might have a tanker, you might have the whole army surround you and a guard you. Yo, you see if a man really want to bust out your skull will get bust. Look how much president for America will get assassinated. And me I tell you about president we have how much bodyguard, how much army surround them and I protect them. But guess what? A man still take them out. So like boss just make you know say yo, nobody feel like you're bigger than this, brother. And be a nice and make and watch ya. Me not have to do that and me not go do that. Cause I'm not trophy man a warfare. I will live. Anyway, viewers and subscribers. Now go no further in the report. May I make sure pin this song in the link in the description, you know, just so that you can go check it out for yourself. You have come to the end of another report, viewers and subscribers. Please may I ask you again, if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe. And if you don't like the videos yet, do that now. Bless up.